So the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to take a Zoom recording and import it into Canvas, but using YouTube. And then one big advantage of using YouTube for doing this is you will get closed captioning. So that is there as an accessibility feature for any of your students who may need closed captioning. So you're going to want to open your YouTube page and upload your Zoom video to it. Uh, To do this, you come up and click on the Create button and Upload Video. And then you're going to select your files. You can either go through and select by browsing it, or for me, the easiest thing to do is to open up my Zoom meeting. This is the meeting, say Group D, that I want to go and copy over. And so when you hit open, it's going to give you all the files that were saved for that Zoom recording. The one that you want to grab is the one that'll say Zoom and a number and MP4 after it. That will be the actual video. Uh, and some of these others are the chats and the audio files, but that's the full audio and video. So let me get this out of your way here. You're going to take that, click on it, and drag it over and put it into YouTube. And now it's going to upload into your YouTube. I would rename this as my Group D meeting, which is what it was, and I usually put the date in it. And then I will go through next, telling it to save it. It's going to ask me if I want the age restriction. I'm going to say it's not made for kids because it was, adults. And then next, and then go and next one more time, and then save. And you're going to save this meeting, and it'll take a few minutes for it to upload. So now my video has uploaded, and here it is, the Group D HEC meeting. And so what I want to do is I actually want to view it on YouTube. I want to play it. So because I want to make sure, number one, it has sound and everything looks good. And this is where I can get the shareable link. So I check, I make sure it plays, my volume looks good, everything like that, great. So now you come down here to share. When you click on share, it's going to give you a couple options. You can put a link into your class, which makes the students click on these words and then takes them to the video, or you can embed it. I like to embed it because they get the video right away. When they see this red box, they know what to do, and it's not, they're not jumping into and having to look at another screen and another screen. So this is the embed code. You're going to grab that embed code by highlighting it and copying it. And you can hit copy down here or Control C. And now you want to go and take that into Canvas. So now you're looking at a Canvas course, and I'm just going to say, for the sake of things, this was a meeting, say we had on the first day of class, that I want to put up that other students who couldn't be there could view. So it's going to go in my Getting Started module, and we'll click the plus, which allows us to add something into it, and then we're going to add a page. So we're going to add this page, and I'm going to put in Getting Started Meeting. Okay, and then I usually like to put the date for 26/20 in there, just so that they know what date it occurred on, those type of things. I am going to indent this one because I want it over a little further in the course, and add item. So here's that page that I just put in. We open that page, and then you want to edit it so that there's something on this page for the students. And you can come up to the rich content editor, and select insert or edit media. When you do that, you're going to get something that says embed, and you can place that embed code that you copied right in there and click OK. And magically, look what happens. Now the video is embedded on that page. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save and Publish so that it's viewable right away to my students. So now, just to show you, if we come back to modules, this Getting Started meeting is right here. If my students click on it, this is what they see. They can click play and watch the meeting that we recorded in Zoom through YouTube. So you should have an understanding now of how to take a Zoom recording and put it into your Canvas course using YouTube.